Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing a microphone by Boya BY-M1 microphone. It's a lavalier microphone and you can use this for YouTube and DSLR cameras and your smartphones. Check out the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here we go. Yesterday I ordered a lavalier microphone so that I can improve the audio quality sound of my YouTube videos, and today it has arrived and here it is. Let's have a sound test, audio test of this microphone, and let's do a quick review of this microphone, and I hope this will help you. I got this microphone for around $850 on Amazon, and previously this was very expensive, and I think this is the best price for this microphone. This is a great microphone for recording your videos on YouTube, and I've seen a lot of reviews, so I decided to buy this myself and check out how it is, because I've been struggling with microphones and getting a good quality sound for my videos. So let's see how it is. Basically I bought this microphone to use with my GoPro, so let's do the quick unboxing of this and let's see what's inside it. Let's quickly unbox it. You get this black pouch in it. Get this instruction manual, and you'll get a warranty card. Let's put this aside. It's nice, good black color pouch. And here is the microphone. This microphone has a very long cable, as you can see. Quite long. This is the actual microphone. Quite long cable. Now this is the switch, where if you want to connect it to the camera, you have to switch it on top. For this you require to insert a battery, which is provided inside the pack, right here inside. Okay. But if you are using it with the smartphones, you just have to turn it off and you don't require any battery. It's a cool feature. What else comes inside it? So here comes, they provided a jack, a battery and a foam. Let's quickly check out. This is what they provided: jack, battery for the microphone, clip to put for your clothes, and foam to put your microphone. So let's put this like this. So they're done. So guys, now we will have a quick audio test of this microphone and do a quick comparison with the camera microphone inbuilt and the Boya microphone. So currently what you're hearing, the voice is from the inbuilt camera from Canon 1200D, and let's quickly switch over to the Boya microphone. Now you are hearing from the Boya microphone, and I hope you can clearly make out the difference between the clarity between the two mics. And previously most of my videos, there was no clarity in the voice. There was a lot of hissing noise, but you can see if I move the microphone around, this is an omnidirectional mic, so even if I move this mic around, the voice will be very clear. And let's go back to the Canon microphone, inbuilt microphone, and see the difference. And let's go back to the Boya microphone and see what is the difference. So guys, you can make out the difference, and it is a very big jump in quality, and it is really very cost effective. And I think the best part about this microphone is that you can use it on smartphones as well as cameras, DSLRs, your laptops, your PCs, just by switching the button that is available on this microphone. For guys who use their GoPros as a vlogging camera, this mic is, let me tell you, is compatible with your external 3.5 adapter. I would be giving a quick review about that adapter as well. And yes, this is compatible with your GoPro, so you can use it. So guys, go ahead, the link is in the description to buy this. It's only 850 rupees, and I think it is value for money. It has a very long cable, which is good if you are standing far away from the camera and you want to record. The only cons I would give about this microphone, which is also a pro of this microphone, is that it's 6-meter cable. It's quite long, you can see it's very long. But the cons is that cable management. It has a long wire again. If you are very finicky with handling long cables, then this would prove a problem. So I've preferred to keep it wrapped, and I'll only use it as much as I require. Otherwise it would be a big mess to handle such a long cable. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.